Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how do you block somebody on Venmo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we have to do is open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. On your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application and open it up if you haven't already. And after doing so, now we can get started. So after opening it up, the first thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have an account, you want to go ahead and create an account. So you can register for an account by clicking the Get Venmo option. On your mobile phone, just continue with your phone number. And after creating your account, now we can log in. So log into the account from which you want to block another user. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page that looks something like this. This is going to be your main page from where we can access everything that we need. As you can see, we have the home section, our card section, me, and so on, everything we need. And now we can get started. So as you can see right here in the official help Venmo page, we have a question, somebody asking, how do you block another user? So how do we block another Venmo user? It's very easy, and what we have to do is go to their profile page. So go ahead and find their profile. As you can see, you can enter either a friends group, or you can just search for a profile from the home section. That's going to enable you to find anybody that you want to add as a friend, and so you can just open up their profile, and after doing so, you want to tap the three dots in the top right. Once you open up the profile, there are going to appear three dots in the top right that you want to click, and click the block button, and this is going to enable you to block that person. So that's how you can successfully block them, and now they can no longer contact you, send you money, and sell one, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.